Hello, Chads. Just a quick market overview. Just don't want to repeat myself, but we warned you about the move, that the situation is very unstable. So let's get to the daily time frame. So right here we warn you that most probably we're going to retest the lows of this channel. So right, this lows around 50k, and most probably we might actually even fall lower, but we're gonna see how it goes. But for now, obviously, the situation is very weak on Bitcoin and altcoins. But don't get very frustrated, because we're having a daily pivot, I mean a weekly pivot. 9th September 9 and September 23, as I pointed many times. So just as we mentioned in our last video and our Telegram channel, and make sure you subscribe to Sigma Crypto Chat channel, because we post market updates on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this support, actually, to be more precise, the 53k looks very viable to retest. Oh yeah, that's from the our Telegram channel. So as you can see, so we're coming to the first point of interest. So the first point of interest would be the 53.6k on Bitcoin. But if we don't hold it, I think we're gonna see the 48. Actually, there is a chance we retest this zone. So there is a chance, of course. I don't think we're gonna break it. It's just not very possible in the current market structure. Just if you look at the mass and how the mass, the pressure is pretty high on Bitcoin. So the pressure is pretty high on Bitcoin, and you can see how all this moving averages start curling above. So if we just invert the chart, you can see that that's actually the beautiful apex, but a reverse apex. On the inverted chart, we can see that's a beautiful inverse apex, and I still think we cannot we're not gonna break the red zone. So the 45 to 42, we might retest it, but I don't think we're gonna break it just now. So these two supports look very probable for now, so pay attention to 53k and 48, but again, as I mentioned, don't jump until we see a weekly pivot. Because as you can see, the weekly pivots, as I mentioned many times, are on September 9 and September 23, so until we reach those dates, I don't think we're gonna see a strong bounce. Just keep patient. Keep patience. It's very important to not doing anything can actually be very profitable and much better than doing bad things on the market. So just keep patience. We'll see the 53.6, but I don't think it's gonna hold for now, to be honest. The 48k looks more viable to me. Actually, if you are our subscriber in our channel, you can remember when I was the first time I pointed that Bitcoin is in trouble. Was actually when we broke the parabolic trend. So right here, once we broke the parabolic trend, you can see the situation was not so good. I mean, we had some sort of fake bounce here, but the situation is not very strong right now. Nothing critical, and of course might be very painful for those stuck in altcoins, but nothing critical. Just wait and don't jump into positions. Wait the daily pivots, I mean the weekly pivots, the September 9 and September 23. Until we reach those dates, I wouldn't make any important decision. Ethereum is just getting close to a major trend. But of course Ethereum looks, look at this weekly pivot. This weekly pivot 22nd of July just worked perfectly. This just, we nailed it. But the situation the situation on Ethereum looks pretty weak, but as you can see, we're coming here, which is a very important place. We have the weekly, this is a weekly mass, so we have the weekly 100 and weekly 200, which are at the same place. And this is an important place, but of course the situation in Ethereum is weak. Like depending on how you draw the trend line, we can say we're already below the trend line of. If we draw it this way, we might steal, but yeah, the whatever you do, the situation, just even if you're not using logarithmic chart, the situation looks weak on Ethereum, obviously, even worse than on Bitcoin. So just keep patient, and we'll see how the situation unfolds. As you can see, our predictions were very spot on the market. I mean, the timing, our timing with our pivots, just take this pivot, 5th of August, 19 August, now September 9, we'll see how it goes. For now, we've been very precise with our market moves. So we'll see how it goes, but just keep patient and subscribe to our channel and to our YouTube, so to keep you updated, and don't jump into the market. Enjoy it.